Suburban Prepper here. These are 5 deadly mistakes will get suburban preppers killed in 72 hours. Number 1 will shock you. Mistake number 1. The obvious. Supplies trap. Most preppers stockpile wrong. I've seen garages full of rice and beans. The buckshot approach. But unbalanced stockpiles scream, "Rob me," to desperate neighbors. As a combat medic, I've seen malnutrition destroy decision-making under stress. Feeding your family starchy foods for weeks? Morale crashes. You're weak when you need strength most. The fix? The pantry principle. Store what you eat what you store. Build deep pantry of foods your family loves. Get stackable water containers, not plastic bottles. Practice with non-electric cooking. Propane grill or butane stove. But smart supplies mean nothing if your house broadcasts, "Rob me," to every desperate neighbor. Mistake. Number 2, the fortress fantasy. Your suburban home isn't a fortress. It's built for comfort, not defense. Sliding glass doors, breached in seconds. Big windows, perfect view of your supplies. The real threat isn't biker gangs, it's desperate neighbors who saw you carrying supplies or heard your generator. Combat solution. Gray man prepping. Blend in while hardening targets. Heavy-duty deadbolts. Stronger door frames. Security film on windows. Makes them nearly unbreakable. Plant thorny bushes under first-floor windows. Motion lights everywhere. Make intruders think too much work and move on. Even deadlier than weak security? Your power plant. Mistake. Number 3. The generator. Death trap gas generators are death sentences. Short shelf life fuels, dangerous storage. But worst of all, the noise. Firing up a loud generator in a blacked out neighborhood is like launching a flare. I have power over here. You become a magnet for the desperate. Smart approach. Silent tiers. Tier 1, power banks and small solar panel for phones, radios. Tier 2, silent solar generator. No noise, no fumes. Use inside. Recharge daily with solar panels. Do an energy audit. What do you absolutely need? Refrigerator, lights. Medical devices. Keep essentials running silently. Power is one thing. Manpower is another. This next mistake kills faster than any other. Mistake. Number 4. The lone wolf lie. The rugged individualist fantasy is suicide in suburbs. You're surrounded by people. Unprepared neighbors become desperate neighbors. 24/7 security while sleeping and managing crisis? Impossible. You cannot do it alone. Solution. Trusted community. Not handing out prep plans at block parties. Build network now. Know your neighbors. Identify skills. Nurse, mechanic, military background, gardener. Form small mutual assistance group with like-minded families. 4 families working together. Share security burden. Pool resources. 1 person on watch for 4 hours. Sustainable. 1 person awake for 72 hours. Dead. Lone wolf dies first. Strong community endures. You can have community, power, supplies, but this final mistake makes it all worthless. Mistake number 5, the set and forget. Suicide. Gear without skills is useless. Trauma kit and shrink wrap. Water filter never assembled. Emergency plan on a laptop that's a brick when power dies. You won't have time to read instruction manuals while family members bleed or your house freezes. Your knowledge and skills are your most important preps. Weightless. Can never be taken. Practice discipline. Quarterly. Blackout nights. Flip main breaker. Lie with emergency preps. Cook on backup stove. Test gear. Take it camping. Can you carry your bug out bag for miles? Learn real skills. First aid course. Not just buying kits. Basic home repair. Practice builds muscle memory you will desperately need under stress. Your gear is a toolbox. Your skills make you a craftsman. 5 deadly mistakes. Wrong supplies, fortress fantasy, generator trap, lone wolf lie, set and forget suicide. Your skills and community matter more than gear. What's your biggest prepping mistake? Drop it below. Subscribe for more combat-tested suburban prep. Stay prepared.